Don't you wish shopping for health insurance was as easy as buying provisions or groceries in the supermarket? But sadly it isn't. More than 90% of financial crises originate out of medical emergency, and the same can badly damage one's finances. So you can avoid such situations by keeping in mind the 9 rules while buying health insurance via online or through a health insurance advisor. Rule number 1. You must have your own individual health insurance plan even if your company offers a corporate policy. Corporate cover is not enough because it could stop once you leave the job or you retire from the job. Additionally, will not offer all benefits or might not cover all the family members. Rule number 2. Choose the right amount as sum insured as per your requirement. That is, the minimum cover should range between 3 to 5 lakhs in small cities and rupees 5 to 10 lakhs or more in metro cities. Further, you need to keep increasing your health cover at regular intervals due to rising medical costs, that is to counter medical inflation. Rule number 3. Make sure that the preferred hospital is cashless, whether it is the hospital closest to your home or the one where your family doctor practices in the network hospital. To add, ensure that your location has a preferred network hospitals before buying health insurance. Rule number 4. Buy a health cover that gives you lifetime renewability. Lifetime renewability ensures that health insurance provider can't refuse your policy renewal when you are old and are at a higher risk, as it provides a financial shield, especially during your retirement days. Rule number 5. Say no to claim loading. Claim loading is the amount charged by the health insurance company on your renewal premium when you make claims in your policy. That is, loading charges are some extra charges on your renewal premium. So if you get a critical illness which requires long-term cure, then it with the claim loading, your premiums will keep on increasing and may soon become unaffordable. Rule number 6. Buy a policy which gives you a restore limit. The restoration benefit helps the sum insured of your health insurance policy to be restored up to the maximum limit as soon as it gets exhausted after a claim. That is, it acts as a buffer for unforeseen illness. Rule number 7. Never lie and hide information in your application form. If you have an ailment, make sure you mention it. That is, all medical history of the insured is expected to be disclosed while buying health insurance. Most plans will cover pre-existing diseases after 3 to 5 years. Rule number 8. Be aware of your waiting periods. All health plans have a waiting period for pre-existing diseases, named ailments, etc. Please see what the waiting period is and try opting for a plan that offers minimum waiting period. Rule number 9. Buy a plan with no or minimal sub-limit. There are 2 kinds of sub-limit that the insurance company place on hospital room rent and on specific diseases. For example, you have a health insurance policy of rupees 3 lakhs that has a clause restricted room rent to 1% of the sum insured. So the applicable room rent is 3,000 rupees per day. You have to be admitted for 2 days, and the general ward will cost you room rent of 1,000 rupees per day plus all other eligible expenses, coming to rupees 73,000. But you don't like the general ward and would like to stay in twin sharing room, which will cost room rent of rupees 3,500 per day plus all other eligible expenses, amounting to rupees 2,43,000. Now you would think the insurance company will reimburse rupees 2,42,000, removing rupees 1,000 from the room rent. In reality, you will get rupees 75,000 because the room rent restriction means that all expenses other than room rent will also be restricted. Therefore, always try to avoid any health insurance policy that has any such restriction, whether for room rent or any specific procedure related to illness or disease. So the bottom line is, if you do your research about a health plan around these 9 rules, you would be able to find a powerful health plan that meets all your criteria without any sweat. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.